Come test drive this 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. A 3.8-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front fog lights, skid plates, and more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.